How would you like to open up your browser and have a fully animated video created for you within just a few seconds? Better yet, what if you could pick from ready-made animated templates? So really all you had to do is add your own text and images and click Export Video. That's it. Look, we all know that video marketing converts better than anything else out there, bringing you more sales and traffic. But the problem is creating videos takes time and technical know-how, even if you're using a great video builder software. That is until today. We finally have the answer. It's CloudCreate. This simple cloud software lets you create animated video after video from done-for-you templates literally on autopilot. Now, you heard that right. You can now create stunning animated videos, edit our built-in templates with drag-and-drop simplicity, and background music or voiceovers, export your video, and share it all over social media, all from within your browser. It sounds incredible, right? Well, here, let's take a look right now. All you have to do to get started is log into our cloud-based interface, then look through the dozens of done-for-you animated templates that we've got built right in. Once you find one you're happy with, all you have to do is add your text and images and you're good to go. It's literally click, click, and you're done. Of course, you could also add your logo to brand your videos. You could also add background music from our built-in library or your computer. And you could even record voiceovers while your video is playing. Finally, once you're happy with the result, you can instantly export your video and download it to your computer, or simply let it live inside your CloudCreate account. We're storing all your videos free of charge, so you could access them at any time. Now, how cool is that? You get to create stunning videos with just a few seconds of work, all from within your browser. CloudCreate is ideal for anyone looking to create professional, animated videos without any learning curve or technical know-how. And the bottom line is this: our goal at CloudCreate is to allow anyone, yes, even complete newbies, the ability to create stunning animated videos within just a few clicks, all from within the browser. Now, not only is CloudCreate the easiest, fastest, and most marketing-friendly solution out there for animated videos, it's also by far the most affordable, and I mean affordable. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to CloudCreate during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. Now, we're excited to step into this new era of video marketing together. Welcome to CloudCreate.